Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pulling your footage into one place so you can work fast. Once done, open a new project and set the frame rate and resolution that match your master clip, for example 24 FPS and 1920x 1080. Next, import all media and drop the primary shot onto track 1. This establishes your timeline anchor. Make sure to rename clips and mark good takes. Doing these first actionable steps prevents mismatches later and keeps you organized as you trim and arrange to build the story. Use the razor or trim tool to cut on action and beats, removing dead space quickly, then move clips into sequence. Once the rough order is set, place B-roll and cutaways on higher tracks so they are ready to overlay, and sync separate audio tracks to the main clip. After that, balance audio levels and apply basic color correction to match clips, because consistent look and sound keep the viewer engaged. To finish, pick an export preset that matches your delivery platform and adjust codec and bitrate for quality versus file size. Before exporting, scrub the timeline for audio bleed, small color shifts, and unintended gaps. Correct them and render a short test clip. If you encounter export errors or missing media, clear the software cache, relink any offline files, and try exporting a 10-second segment. This isolates the problem. Once the test is clean,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.